Perched in the misty hills of Kerala, Mannar is famed for tea estate, panoramic vistas, and a thriving culinary scene. Whether you are craving hearty South Indian meal, cozy cafe, or elegant multi-cuisine fare with stunning views, Mannar delivers. Each restaurant blends local flavor with unique ambience, enhancing your hill station experience with both comfort and charm. The first one is Sarvana Bhavan. A beloved South Indian vegetarian chain, Sarvana Bhavan consistently vows with its authentic dosas, aromatic sambar, and filtered coffee. Nested on Mannar's main road, it draws local and travelers alike seeking familiar, flavorful fare. The staff serve meal tasty despite consistent crowd, and its thali spread complete with multiple sabjis and sweets is both affordable and satisfying. The second one is Pepsi Restaurant. Tucked in Man Bazaar, Pepsi blends local favorites with budget-friendly options. Try their famed parota biryani, fresh fish curries, or omelets for breakfast. The interior are lined with feedback notes from tourists, giving a warm, live-in feel. Known for its generous portion, flavorful dishes, and down-to-earth vibe, it's a staple among Mannar's local food lovers. The third one is Keytails Cafe. Perfect for a quiet break, Keytails offer comfort in every detail. Wooden interiors, cozy seating, and a vast tea selections. Ideal for early mornings or afternoon rest. It serves charming bites like lemon tea, cheese omelette, and refreshing cold coffee. The balcony seating give a gentle view of town's rhythm, making it a tranquil cafe stop. The fourth one is Copper Castle Restaurant, part of a resort tucked in Kannan Diwan Hill. Copper Castle serves rich Kerala specialities in refined setting. The serene ambience, quality service, and thoughtfully crafted menu make it ideal for family dinners. Whether you choose veg or non-veg, the dishes are flavorful and spread across Indian and continental offerings, adding a regal touch to Mannar's cuisine. The fifth one is KTDC Tea County Restaurant. Sit within the Tea County property. This eatery offers commanding views, peaceful ambience, and a diverse menu. From Kerala curries to continental plates, this setting and service elevate basic meals into relaxing dining experiences. It's perfect for a restful lunch or dinner after exploring nearby viewpoints. The next one is Parakat Spice Merchant. Located at a scenic resort outside town, Parakat combines Indian food with rustic elegance. With open air seating surrounded by greenery, it's perfect for evening chats or sunset dinners. Try standout dishes like garlic chicken grill or brownie sizzlers in this cozy, elevated environment, a true culinary escape. The next one is Prakriti Multiple Cuisine Restaurant. Just off Arunachal Bypass, Prakriti offers wide appeal with Indian, Chinese, Kerala, and continental choices. Its spacious layout and vegetarian non-vegetarian kitchens cater to group dining needs. The fish, holy tattoo, and barbecue chicken are popular highlights, served in a family-friendly atmosphere with good parking and clean interiors. The next one is Arabian Grills. A hidden gem near Gandhi statue, Arabian Grills brings bold Middle Eastern flavors to the hills. Housed over a steam bed, its casual vibe and grilled menus like chicken mandi and falafel wraps stand out in Mannar's culinary scene. Great for when you want a hearty, no-frill meal with flavor. The second last is Treetop Restaurant. As the name suggests, this place sits amid greenery, creating an immersive forest dining experience. Offering a mix of Kerala dishes with cafe-style service, the menu includes must-tries like fish curry, coconut masala, and filtered coffee. With its wooden desk and forest view, it's perfect for quiet meals surrounded by nature. The last one is Mannar Samruddhi Restaurant. Conveniently located near the bus station, this simple eatery is known for its reliable South Indian and Kerala meals. Clean interiors, polite service, and homely food make it a favorite among families and solo travelers alike. Its dishes like chicken pepper roast or fish curry are flavorful staple for a easy, satisfying meal. Here are some tips for dining in Mannar. Breakfast and lunch are usually served earlier in the hill station compared to big cities. Aim to reach restaurants between 8 to 9 am for breakfast and 12 to 1 pm for lunch to enjoy fresh food and avoid rush. Dinner spots can get crowded after 7 pm, so an early meal also ensures better service and less waiting time. Try authentic Kerala dishes first. Mannar is famous for Kerala specialties like Ampam with stew, Kerala Parota with beef curry, Meen, Polikachu, and pepper chicken. Begin your food journey with these local dishes before exploring continental or global flavors. Local thali meals served on banana leaves are also a must-try experience. Since Mannar is surrounded by tea estates and spice plantations, make sure to sample locally grown tea and spice in first dishes. Tea cafes often serve cardamom tea, masala chai, and cinnamon flavored brews, giving you a taste of the region's richness. Packed tea and spice from local shop also make great souvenir. If you want cozy scenic meal, try hilltop or resort-based restaurants that offer valley view. For budget-friendly, authentic dining, opt for town-based eateries near the bus station or bazaars. Cafes like Tea Taste or forest-themed spots like Treetop provide a relaxed break in between sightseeing. Vegetarian travelers are well catered to in Mannar with plenty of South Indian and multi-cuisine restaurants, but meat lovers should not miss Arabian grills, spicy Kerala curries, or barbecue-style menus. Splitting dishes among friends or family allows everyone to enjoy more variety without over ordering. Mannar delivers culinary variety that complement its serene landscapes. Each restaurant here tells its own story from local roots to global inspirations, enhancing your journey through the cool, misty hills of Kerala.